I'm Lathe Lavada, broker, founder, and certified distressed property expert. I've had the privilege of advising distressed homeowners of their options and solutions since the beginning of the mortgage and foreclosure crisis. And I have a message. If you are one of the millions of distressed homeowners who are experiencing periods of financial hardship where you owe more on your home than what it is worth, you don't know what to do, you're not alone, and there are answers. Myself and team of professionals are ready to help. We invest our time and resources and participate in a specialized ongoing monthly industry forum to better understand how to help homeowners who need answers. You have made the right decision by reaching out for more information, and I want to commend you. You're in the right place to get the answers to your questions and get started on the path to recovery.